Okay, so having been able to download, be able to put in all the information for payroll calculation or payroll preparation, you need to be able to download your report, see the report, various payroll report. So what we can do is that we come to the payroll service again. You go to payroll and PAYE report. Payroll and PAYE report. When we come in here, we have a lot of reports that we can download. We have the detailed payroll report, the summary report, the payroll GRA form, that's the PAYE report, then payroll payslip, and we also have annual detailed payroll report. So we will start with the detailed payroll report. We click it and then we click run. As soon as we click run, the system will run this for us and then bring it. And the time depends on the number of information that we have in there. Assuming it was like 300 employees, it would have taken a bit more time than this. So this is just 11 employees, so we just have it without any delay. And this is a very big file. It has all information relating to the payroll in here. All information relating to the payroll in here. There's nothing left out. All information relating to the payroll, from the employees, the salary, the bank details, the SNE details, tier 1, tier 2, they are all in here for you to be able to assess. Then we can review it. If you are fine, you continue and then properly generate it. So when we are done, you can actually run this report in Excel. Okay, let me run it in Excel. So I'm downloading it in Excel. Okay, so this is what I have. Word downloaded in Excel. So this is a report in Excel, nicely downloaded in Excel. It's a big file and we can have a lot of information, a lot of analytics from this. So let me close this and go back to the report again. Then I can also run the summary. What the detailed, we can run it in summary. So the summary will give you the employee name, the deduction, the PAYE, net, and the net salary that you are going to use to pay. So this is what we have in here. This gives you the gross, the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, employee tier 3 as well, then the taxes and net salary. So this is what we have as the net. We can run this in any format. Let me run this in CSV command limited. Okay, I have clicked run the payroll again. I could have just exported it. Okay, so let me run it in command limited. CSV. Depending on how I want it. So this is what I have here. All information is in here. All information is in here. I could have run it in any other format. All right. So let me go back and then select another one. This is a GRA form. That's a PAYE report. The PAYE report. This is a PAYE report. Okay, I have it in here. So this is what we are going to file with GRA. I can come up here and click file. When I click file, it will take me, when I click file, it should take me to the GRA portal. The GRA portal, enter my 10. When I enter my 10, then my password, I will open the portal and I go and file my return. So I could have also clicked the file, and I can also download my payslip. Please, payslip is the one that takes most of the time, depending on the number of employees that we have. This is 11 employees, and it may not take too much of time. Okay, so we have it in here, payslip. So the payslip, this is a standard payslip that has the basic salary, allowances, non-taxable allowances, bonuses, and it also provides all information, the net salary, the net contribution with the bank details. Every information that you need for a payslip is in here, and I can download it in PDF or Excel, any format. Let me download it in PDF. So I'm exporting it to PDF. I have exported to PDF and I can print this and give to my staff as their pay slip for the month. I'll print this, give to my staff as their pay slip for the month. So I can also run, there are a lot of reports I can also run. Let me go back and look at my annual reports. So payslip, I can have my annual. You know, when we were doing the upload, we did annual payroll, and this is what also goes into the PAYE health check, the audit. When you are running audit for PAYE, payroll audit, so it is the annual that goes there to determine your over the payment. Okay, so this is your annual. I have it over here. So all the annual information that I downloaded, I uploaded, it has used it to prepare my annual payroll. When you come to the last end here, it shows, it will show, definitely show the taxes that I have paid. So this is the very actual taxes. It shows the actual taxes that I have paid, and then actual. So it shows the various tax that I have actually paid, and then it also look at the amount that is payable. What is payable means that it looks at how much tax ought to have been paid and how much I have paid. Then it tries it out and look at how much is the balance for me to pay. So this is annual payroll. I could have also gone in here and then look at my GRA annual. So this is the same as the annual employer deduction summary. Annual employer deduction summary. So this is what we have to file for the annual for employee. As an employer, we need to file the annual employer deduction summary. So this is what I have over here, and it relies on the annual information that I provided. And look at the last end of it. It shows the taxes payable. It shows the actual tax and then the difference. That's how much is still payable, is pending for me to pay. How much is still payable, pending for me to pay? Because if I check how much I actually paid from January to December, it's 20,000. For the first one, it is 20,000. But if I go in and look at how much is payable, it's 190,000. So there's a difference of underpayment of 170,000, which I need to pay. So this is why we filed the annual employer deduction summary. So I'll go back. This I can download it into Excel and then use it to populate the GRA template, because it's an active cell. You could have uploaded this at the GRA portal and then we'll be fine. But because that cell is an active cell, we need to put it in that cell, so that actual template, so that we can populate. Then we'll go back. And then we do the personal income tax return. Personal income tax. So I can run personal income tax return for all my employees just at a click, because I populated the annual employee information, the salary information. It will run my personal income tax return for me without any challenge. There's a personal income tax return for all employees, so I can give to employees for them to use to file their the annual return. Or every employee per law, we are required to file annual return. So this is the personal income tax return. It's done it in the format that GRA requires it. That's the same format that you are going to get on the GRA portal. This I'll be able to download this and give it to my employees. So this is in PDF. Let me download this and give it to my employees. So this is what I have here. It's just the format that GRA wants it. That's the GRA format. Okay, so let me run this and give to my employees. So this will be downloaded in PDF. Then I will be able to give this to my employees. Then they'll use it to file their annual return. So basically, these are the various reports. So yes, it has downloaded. Okay, we have it over here. Fantastic. So all employees, this is 55 pages because it's for 11 employees, and each of them is about 5 pages. Yeah, each of them is about 5 pages. So yes, so for all employees, I'll just print it and give to my employees so they will use it to file their annual return. With time, we'll be able to sync this with the GRA portal straight, and we wouldn't have to print or download it for them separately. So basically, these are the various payroll reports that we will be able to generate from the payroll model within the TaxMate software. So please, if you have any challenge, kindly get back to us. Just put in your question over here, please. So let me just put in my question over here. Please, I need assistance on generating annual reports. Okay, so when you do this, you send this, our technical team, our help team will be available to see your question, and they will also get notification and they will be able to respond to you immediately. All our team members will get notification. Let me just check if the team members have seen your request. Let me see if any of our team members have seen your request. A quick one, let me just check. Okay, so you can see that if someone joins, you can see that someone is actually typing. Okay, you can see that someone is actually typing. All right, so you can actually chat with our team, and the team will assist you to do anything that you want to do. Anything, you can ask them questions. Our team is well trained to assist you in any area that you may need assistance. Please come to us and we'll be able to help you at any point in time. Come to us and we'll be able to help you at any point in time. If you have any question, drop us a message and we'll be able to help you. Thanks so much for joining us on this.